It may be hard to believe, but there are even more increases in health insurance on the way. VHI is the latest. It's going to increase the cost of 7 plans from the end of this month, start of August. Now, the good news at least is that the health insurers are beginning to realise that people are being priced out of the market, so they're starting to launch some new plans which are pretty good value. So what this means is if you're coming to the end of your 1-year contract for your health insurance, make sure to ring them up and say to them, hold on a minute here, that's a big increase, can't afford that, here's my budget, what have you got that matches what my budget is that gives me similar benefits to what I already have? And ask them to include corporate plans. Now, these are plans that are marketed to companies. They tend to be better value, they tend to have better benefits, and they're cheaper than other plans. So ask them to include those, because from the 1st of August, VHI is increasing 7 corporate plans, the price on 7 plans. Now, the good news is that Leia is reducing the price on one of its plans. So there's plenty of choice out there. There's lots of different options. We have had a lot of increases this year. You're kind of losing count of it at this stage. It's almost once a month. So for anybody who has health insurance and wants to keep it, you're going to have to put in a little bit of effort by ringing your health insurer. Alternatively, ask the other health insurers as well what they can offer you for the budget that you have, and make sure you get value for money and you don't end up paying an extra 300 to 500 euros for your family to renew. For more on this, see independent.ie.